Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Firm Central by Thomson Reuters step by step clearly. To install Firm Central by Thomson Reuters, begin by visiting the official Firm Central website. Locate the Sign Up or Get Started button and click on it. If you already have an account, enter your credentials to log in. For new users, follow the prompts to create an account. Once logged in, navigate to the Download section of the website. Choose the appropriate version of Firm Central for your operating system. Click on the download link to start the downloading process. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. Accept the terms and conditions as prompted. Choose your preferred installation options if applicable. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message indicating that the installation was successful. Click Finish to close the installer. Locate the Firm Central application on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the Firm Central icon to launch the application. Log in using your Firm Central credentials. You are now ready to use Firm Central for your practice management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.